try this out. This is so good. Hi, my name is Misha, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm Indian, Punjabi to be specific. I was born and raised in Thailand and married my American-born Sindhi husband. Now that's a lot of culture in one sentence. I was born a vegetarian and come from a long line of incredible cooks, all the way from my grandmas, my mom, my sister, and my sister-in-law. When my mom married my dad, he was not a vegetarian, so she spent a lot of time in the kitchen experimenting and mimicking non-vegetarian food and creating it vegetarian by adding her own little spin to it. Through her art of cooking, she won him over, and he became a vegetarian. She didn't only offer us food, but she infused it with love and offered us prasad, which is food offered to God. So today, I cook with love, devotion, and a prayer. My mom gave cooking lessons for over 30 years and taught chefs at 5-star hotels. But she didn't pursue her career as a professional chef because she dedicated a lot of her time and life to her family. So today I'm happy to share all the recipes that have been passed down to me, the tips and tricks, and I'm happy to share authentic Thai and Indian food and foods from around the world from all my travels, and a whole lot of fusion food as well. This food space is dedicated to my mom, who spent a lot of time creating mouth-watering and nourishing food for us all. Today, I live a plant-based lifestyle and eat organic and healthy-ish food as much as possible. Let's get started with Thai quesadillas. We're gonna start with the sauce today. So we're gonna start with this yellow curry paste. So to this pot right here, I'm adding a tablespoon of this curry paste. And then I'm adding this red curry paste right here. Adding equal amounts, which is another tablespoon right here. Then I'm adding equal amounts again of tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind, you can substitute it for lime juice as well. I'm adding some coconut sugar, equal parts, and some peanuts. A little bit more peanuts, I like it peanutty. And then to this, we're gonna add some coconut milk. So we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Now that we have all the ingredients in this pot right here, we're gonna take it to the stove and let it cook for just 30 seconds, and we're done with the sauce. Now we're gonna mix all this together and wait for it to come to a boil. Just like so. And to this, we're going to add a tablespoon of vegan mayo. Just like that. And then we mix it all up again. Now that the sauce is ready, we're gonna go ahead and cook our chicken right here. So this is vegan chicken, obviously. And so I'm placing it directly into the pan. I have my non-skip pan right here, and no oil is needed. While our chicken is cooking right here, we can go ahead and move on to our next step, which will be chopping some onions and some bell peppers. While the chicken's cooking, we'll go ahead and chop our shallots and our bell peppers. So we'll start off with 1 shallot right here. Okay, next we're gonna chop our bell peppers right here. We're chopping them nice and thin. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our tortilla. So we'll go ahead and place the tortilla right here. We're gonna go ahead and use our vegan cheese right here. So be generous with your cheese. Go ahead and add your chopped up shallots right here. And your bell peppers. and your vegan chicken that we cooked up earlier. And then this is the star of the show right here, this is your Thai basil, which is also known as Bai Hora Pa in Thai. Then we're gonna go ahead and top it off with a little bit more cheese right here. And then we're gonna fold this and let it cook. Now that the cheese is all melted, let me go ahead and cut this up and show you the inside. There we go. Take a look at this ooey gooey deliciousness. I'm gonna add a little bit of this liquid aminos right here to the sauce that we prepared earlier. So I'm gonna add just a drizzle of it. Go ahead and mix it right in. And then we're gonna add the sauce right here directly onto our quesadillas right here. Look at how luscious this looks right here. And then to that, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it with, and garnish with some cilantro right here and some Thai chilies. Now, if you like it hot, you can add it. If you don't, you could definitely leave it out. And then a little squeeze of lime juice right here, just like so. And then we're done, and it's time to dig in. I look forward to nourishing and lifting your soul, and hope you'll follow along and enjoy the journey with me here at Bliss Elephant. And then let's try this out. This is so good. It's got all the right flavors. It's sweet, tangy, spicy, it's fresh from that basil, it's hearty, it's cheesy and dreamy from the cheese. There you go, a quick meal, really good.